Okay, first thing you have to do is turn off the water, which was already done before I got here, and next flush. Okay, so this thing must have been off for a while already, which is good. Okay, the next thing we have to do is take off these screws here. Okay, just want to maneuver them off to the side. So that you don't drop these down here. Alright, we should open up the duct valve. Oh, it's in here. Alright, this was an opening and it was in there pretty tight. You're not supposed to put these on too tight, just hand tight. Alright, let's open up the kit. Okay, here's the cartridge, the new duct valve. See how nice, easy that one opened up. Okay, the top and the screw. Now let's take this. Okay, we're going to put this in first, then tighten it. Just want it hand tight. Okay, let's take this cartridge out. You can take this off if you want to, but we're replacing it all. So I'm just going to channel locks fit in there just perfectly. Okay. Okay, now when you're putting the cartridge in, you see these threads. You're going to want to put this in and turn it until you can see 2 to 3 threads. One, two, three. Okay, now we're going to turn on the water. Okay, now it's still not fully filled, so now you need to turn it about a half a turn. Wait 5 seconds. Another half a turn. Wait 5 seconds. Okay, once you have it adjusted, put this back on, tighten these back up, and you're done. Make sure that you have this when it's sitting on top of here, that it's about the size of a penny or a nickel off the top. That's how you'll adjust it. You'll move this to where you need it and it'll work fine. All right.